Hello everyone, here is Sophia from Photo USA. Today let me show you our new products, a new special stainless bottle. This bottle with big volume, 750 ml, and this one is just only used for your pets. You see, the special part is the lid. This part you can use as a bowl. You can pour some water into this bowl to feed your pets. It's easy for you to bring it no matter where you go, and it's also hygienic for your pets. The material is stainless is also very easy for you to keep clean. And next step, let me show you how to do the sublimation on the bottle. We use this agate machine to do the sublimation, and we also need to prepare the bottle, a printed paper, a tape, and a pair of gloves. Now the machine is in warming up. Let's do some preparing job. Setting the temperature in 350 Fahrenheit, time in 5 seconds. And before the sublimation, we have to take the lid of the bottle, and then we stick the photo at the bottom of the bottle. And then we put the bottle into the machine. Let's waiting for the working. Okay, let's take the bottle of the machine, and please remember it. Please wear the glove because the bottle is really hot. Let's take the bottle of the machine and take off the paper of the bottle. You see a beautiful, colorful personal bottle is down. Thank you very much for watching our video, and if you want to know more information, please follow up our YouTube account. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Please don't say we're done when I'm not finished. I could give some